First, connect the rear cap bar and side bed bar together with the 4 9mm tapered bolts. Slide the 5 channel nuts into the C-channel track of the truck bed. Place the connected Nelson base inside the passenger corner of the truck bed. Adjust the channel nuts to align with each Nelson plate. Thread the ring pin assembly to each Nelson plate and channel nut. Use your finger or a tool to help hold the channel nut into place if needed. Compress the plate to the C-channel in the truck bed for full attachment. Drop the stem and the stem ring into the Nelson pocket. Secure the stem to the Nelson by threading in the spin pin. Slide the 2 foam bumpers and 4 cradle housings onto each wing. Build out each cradle by sliding a rubber strap and retainer clip on. Attach the 2 upper and lower cradles to the wings, sliding the cradle through each cradle housing. Then attach the retainer clip to the back of each cradle. Install each wing onto the stem and thread the wing ring pins into the stem to secure the wings. Insert the 60-inch cable through the front left plate of the rear cab bar. You may need to loosen the ring pins on the cab bar to start the cable. Pull the cable through until the ball side contacts the plate. Then run the cable through each individual ring pin. Slide the cable over and snap the lock onto the spin pin. Hang the bike from the upper cradles with the drivetrain faced outwards of the Nelson. Adjust the cradles and cradle housing positions based off each individual bike. Use the rubber straps to secure the bike to the Nelson with 4 points of contact. Half Nelson channel from Let's Go Aero.